Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about banking abbreviation. ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है जो हमारे बैंकिंग एग्जाम में बहुत बार पूछे जाते हैं। चलिए आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो फर्स्ट इज AEPS आधार इनेबल्ड पेमेंट सिस्टम, APBS आधार पेमेंट ब्रिज सिस्टम, ATM ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन। नेक्स्ट BBPS भारत बिल पेमेंट सिस्टम, भीम भारत इंटरफेस फॉर मनी, BCBS बेसिल कमिटी ऑन बैंकिंग सुपरविजन, CAD करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट, CAR कैपिटल एडिक्वेसी रेशियो, CAGR कंपाउंड एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट, CBS कोर बैंकिंग सॉल्यूशन, CCL कैश क्रेडिट लिमिट, CIDR Central Identities Data Repository. Next, CIBIL Credit Information Bureau of India Limited, Parade Debt Restructuring, CFR Central Fraud Registry, CRR Cash Reserve Ratio, CRIS Comparative Rating Index for Sovereign, CRISIL Credit Rating Information Services of India, DIF Depositor Education and Awareness Fund, DTAA Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, DII Domestic Institutional Investor, ECB External Commercial Borrowing, ECS Electronic Clearing Service, EEFC Exchange Earners Foreign Currency, EFT POS Electronic Funds Transfer at Point of Sale, EFT Electronic Fund Transfer, ELSS Equity Linked Saving Scheme, FRBM Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management, FII Foreign Institutional Investor, FCNRA Foreign Currency Non-Resident Account, GAAR General Anti-Avoidance Rule, GDR Global Depository Receipt, GDP Gross Domestic Product, IDR Indian Depository Receipt, IDRBT Institute for Development and Research of Banking, IFSC Indian Financial System Code, IMPS Interbank Mobile Payment Service, IPO Initial Public Offering, IRDA Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, KCC Kisan Credit Card, KYC Know Your Customer, KVP Kisan Vikas Patra, LAF Liquidity Adjustment Facility, LIBOR London Interbank Offered Rate, LGD Loss Given Default, MSF Marginal Standing Facility, MIBOR Mumbai Interbank Offered Rate, MICR Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, NABARD National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NAV Net Assessed Value, NBFC Non-Banking Financial Companies, NPA Non-Performing Assets, NHB National Housing Bank, NPCI National Payments Corporation of India, OECD Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECO Organization for Economic Cooperation, OLTAS Online Tax Accounting System, PCA Prompt Corrective Action, PCR Provision Coverage Ratio, PCR Public Credit Registry, RIDF Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, RWA Risk Weighted Asset, RTGS Real Time Gross Settlement, Statutory Liquidity, SLR Statutory Liquidity Ratio, SDR Special Drawing Rights, Surface Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest, TURA Transparency of Rules Act, TRAI Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TIEA Tax Information Exchange Agreement, UIDAI Unique Identification Authority of India, VAT Value Added Tax, BPA, Virtual Payment Address, WMA, Ways and Means Advances, WPI, Wholesale Price Index, YTM, Yield to Maturity. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and please be connected on my channel. Thank you.